Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G82, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Now select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups and then choose Home button. Over here you need to access Settings and click on Apps. Then choose Default Apps and click on Home app. To apply iOS Launcher, click on it and choose Got it in the pop-up. As you can see, app layout was applied successfully on my Motorola. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into Settings again, clicking on Apps, Default Apps and Home app. To go back into Moto Launcher, just tap on it. If you wish to switch to iOS, click on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!